Today, we're exploring 8 powerful reasons why adding cucumber juice to your daily routine could be one of the smartest health decisions you make. And trust me, by the time you reach the end, you'll see this simple green vegetable in a completely different light. Welcome to Wellness Science Hub. Over the years, I've spent countless hours studying simple lifestyle habits that help people stay energetic, mentally sharp, and physically strong well into later life. Among all the wellness strategies I've come across, one of the most overlooked is something incredibly simple: a fresh glass of cucumber juice each morning. Now, you might be wondering, can cucumber juice really make that much of a difference? It's a fair question. Most people don't expect much from something so ordinary, but once you understand what's happening inside that glass, you may be surprised. Research has consistently shown that chronic low-level inflammation plays a major role in many of the changes we associate with aging. It affects the joints, cardiovascular system, brain function, skin health, and overall vitality. What many people don't realize is that cucumber juice contains natural compounds that may help combat this ongoing inflammatory process. The best part? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated health programs. All it takes is fresh cucumber, properly prepared and consumed regularly. And that's only the beginning. As we continue, you'll discover even more impressive benefits, especially when we reach reason number 5. But first, let's start with one of the most important advantages. Inflammation has become a common topic in health discussions, and for good reason. Unlike sudden inflammation caused by an injury, chronic inflammation often develops quietly. You may not notice it directly, yet it can gradually affect how you feel and function every day. It can contribute to stiff joints, reduced mobility, cardiovascular strain, mental fatigue, and many other issues that become increasingly common after age 45. The challenge is that these changes often happen slowly, making them easy to overlook. Fortunately, nature provides some powerful tools. Fresh cucumber juice contains naturally occurring plant compounds known as cucurbitacins. These substances are present throughout the cucumber, but are especially concentrated in the dark green outer skin. That's why I always recommend keeping the peel on when making cucumber juice. Many people remove it without realizing they're discarding some of the most beneficial compounds. Cucurbitacins belong to a larger family of plant substances called triterpenes. Researchers have investigated these compounds for their ability to help regulate inflammatory activity within the body, particularly in the cells that support healthy blood vessel function. Think about the impact that can have. Healthy circulation influences everything from heart health to mobility, energy levels, and even how refreshed you feel when getting out of bed in the morning. But there's another fascinating component inside cucumber juice that deserves attention. Cucumbers also contain a natural flavonoid called apigenin. You may have heard of it before because it's also found in chamomile tea. Scientists have studied apigenin for its potential role in supporting a balanced inflammatory response within the nervous system. Why is that important? Because the nervous system influences how we experience discomfort, stress, and physical sensations throughout the body. Supporting neurological health may contribute to improved comfort and overall well-being over time. Take a moment to consider this. How much of the stiffness, soreness, or sluggishness you experience each morning could be connected to ongoing inflammation that has simply never been addressed properly? For many individuals, that connection turns out to be stronger than they expected. A simple habit, drinking fresh cucumber juice with the peel included each morning before eating, can be an easy place to start. One glass is often all it takes to begin building the routine. And we're only getting started. The second reason people may benefit from cucumber juice is something that often surprises them. Most people don't associate cucumbers with pain management, yet the research in this area is quite interesting. Now, let's be clear, cucumber juice isn't a substitute for professional medical care, prescribed treatments, or your healthcare provider's recommendations. However, the compounds naturally found in cucumbers have shown encouraging potential in scientific investigations. Here's the simple explanation. Cucumbers contain flavonoids and tannins, natural plant compounds that researchers have linked to pain-modulating effects. In other words, they may help support the body's ability to manage discomfort more effectively. One study examining cucumber-derived compounds in individuals with knee osteoarthritis found meaningful improvements in pain levels among participants receiving concentrated cucumber extract. That's significant because knee discomfort can affect everything from walking and exercising to simply enjoying everyday life. If you've made it this far, it's clear that maintaining your health matters to you. And that's exactly why these findings are worth paying attention to. Remember apigenin, the compound we discussed earlier? It plays a role here as well. Because inflammation within the nervous system can influence how intensely pain signals are perceived, supporting a healthier inflammatory balance may contribute to improved comfort over time. Small changes in this process can make a noticeable difference in daily life. So here's a practical approach. Try drinking your cucumber juice first thing in the morning before breakfast. A serving of approximately 8 to 16 ounces, usually produced from 1 or 2 large cucumbers, provides a good starting point. At that time of day, your digestive system is generally ready to absorb nutrients efficiently, allowing your body to make the most of what the juice has to offer. And here's something to think about. If a simple, affordable, natural habit could potentially reduce even a small portion of the daily aches and joint discomfort you experience, wouldn't it be worth testing for a couple of weeks to see how your body responds? For many people, the answer is an easy yes, but the potential benefits don't stop with discomfort and joint support. Let's move on to reason number 3, because this one involves a process your body is constantly working on behind the scenes, whether you're aware of it or not. Every hour of every day, your body is busy removing waste and maintaining balance. Your liver processes unwanted substances, your kidneys filter fluids, and your lymphatic system helps clear out cellular debris. Together, these systems work tirelessly to keep you functioning at your best. The problem is that as we get older, these natural cleansing processes don't always operate as efficiently as they once did. Many adults notice the effects without realizing what's causing them. Lower energy, sluggish digestion, dull skin, occasional bloating, and even changes in mood can all be signs that the body's natural filtering systems are under more strain. This is where cucumber juice offers some unique advantages. To begin with, cucumbers are made up of more than 95% water, but they're not just delivering hydration, they also provide naturally occurring minerals and electrolytes that help support fluid balance throughout the body. When you drink freshly prepared cucumber juice, you're helping replenish the water your cells depend on to perform their daily functions. Many people find that this type of hydration feels more refreshing and satisfying than drinking plain water alone. There's another benefit as well. Cucumbers possess mild natural diuretic properties. In simple terms, they can help encourage the body to eliminate excess fluid and waste through normal kidney function. Unlike harsh cleanses or trendy detox products, cucumber juice works gently and naturally. And there's something else worth mentioning. Many nutrition experts consider cucumber juice to be one of the most alkalizing beverages available. Why does that matter? Modern lifestyles often push the body out of balance. Processed foods, excessive sugar intake, high caffeine consumption, lack of sleep, and chronic stress can all place additional strain on the body's regulatory systems. A diet rich in fresh vegetables and hydrating foods may help support a healthier internal balance, and cucumber juice fits perfectly into that approach. Many adults dealing with issues such as occasional acid reflux, elevated uric acid levels, or gout-like symptoms often overlook the role hydration and dietary balance can play in how they feel. So here's something worth thinking about. How long have you been operating with less hydration than your body truly needs? How long have your cells been functioning under less than ideal conditions without you even realizing it? For some people, it's been years. That's why I often suggest a simple experiment. Drink fresh cucumber juice on an empty stomach each morning for 3 consecutive days. Pay close attention to your energy, digestion, and overall sense of well-being. Your body's response may surprise you. Now let's move to reason number 4, because this one involves a nutrient that rarely gets the attention it deserves. Have you ever heard of silica? Most people haven't. Yet silica, sometimes referred to as silicon, plays an incredibly important role in maintaining the structure and strength of many tissues throughout the body. This mineral contributes to the health of connective tissues, including tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and other structures that support movement and flexibility. It's also involved in maintaining strong bones, something that becomes increasingly important as we grow older. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of silica is its connection to collagen production. You've probably heard plenty about collagen. It's one of the most abundant proteins in the human body and plays a major role in maintaining smooth skin, strong hair, durable nails, and comfortable joint function. Unfortunately, collagen production naturally declines with age. In fact, the process begins surprisingly early in adulthood and continues gradually over time. If you've stayed with me this far, it's clear that you're interested in supporting healthy aging, and that's exactly why this information matters. Cucumbers, scientifically known as Cucumis sativus, are considered one of the richest food sources of bioavailable silica. In other words, they provide a form of silica that the body can effectively absorb and utilize. That's an important distinction. Many nutrients look impressive on paper but aren't easily used by the body. Silica from cucumbers is different. It can actively contribute to the body's ongoing maintenance and repair processes. When cucumber juice becomes a regular habit, you're supplying your body with building blocks that support healthy skin, stronger nails, healthier looking hair, and flexible connective tissues. Think about that for a moment. What if some of the support you're seeking from expensive beauty products and collagen powders could also come from a simple vegetable growing in a backyard garden? It's certainly worth considering. Now let's move into reason number 5, because this is an area every adult should pay attention to as the years go by. We're talking about heart health. Once we reach our mid-40s and beyond, the health of our cardiovascular system becomes one of the most important factors influencing overall wellness. The condition of our arteries, blood vessels, circulation, and blood pressure affects nearly every organ in the body. Unfortunately, cardiovascular disease continues to be one of the leading health challenges worldwide. What makes it especially concerning is that many warning signs develop quietly and remain unnoticed until a significant problem occurs. So where does cucumber juice fit into this picture? Actually, in several important ways. Earlier, we discussed cucurbitacins, the naturally occurring compounds found in cucumbers, especially within the peel. Researchers have explored their role in supporting healthy inflammatory responses within endothelial cells, the specialized cells that line blood vessels. Healthy endothelial function contributes to smooth circulation and efficient blood flow throughout the body. And when circulation works efficiently, the heart doesn't have to work as hard to move blood where it needs to go. But that's only part of the story. Cucumbers are also a valuable source of potassium, a mineral that plays a critical role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Potassium helps balance the effects of sodium, which is important because many modern diets contain far more sodium than recommended. As we age, maintaining adequate potassium intake becomes increasingly important for cardiovascular wellness. There's another interesting benefit that doesn't get enough attention. Proper hydration helps support healthy blood flow and circulation. Since cucumber juice provides substantial hydration along with beneficial minerals, it may contribute to maintaining normal blood consistency and circulation efficiency. When blood flows smoothly, the cardiovascular system can function more effectively and with less strain. So let me ask you something. If there were a simple morning habit that could support hydration, circulation, vascular health, and healthy blood pressure all at the same time, wouldn't it be worth incorporating into your daily routine? For many people, that answer is obvious. A single glass of fresh cucumber juice before breakfast may be one of the easiest healthy habits you can adopt. And speaking of things that influence how you look and feel every day, the next benefit focuses on something staring back at you in the mirror each morning. Now let's talk about something many people think about every day, but don't always feel comfortable discussing openly: their appearance. And let me be clear about something. Wanting to look healthy isn't vanity. In fact, the condition of your skin, hair, and nails often provides valuable clues about what's happening inside your body. These visible features act like a health report card. When they begin to lose their vitality, it may be a sign that your body needs additional support. This is another area where cucumber juice can be surprisingly helpful. Earlier, we discussed silica and its connection to collagen production. Let's look at what that means in everyday life. As collagen levels gradually decline with age, the effects start to become visible. Skin can lose firmness and elasticity. Fine lines become more noticeable. Hair may appear thinner and more fragile. Nails can become weaker and prone to splitting. While these changes are often considered normal signs of aging, they can also reflect nutritional needs at the cellular level. If you've watched this far, you're clearly interested in maintaining your health long term. And people who pay attention to these small daily habits are often the ones who continue feeling energetic and vibrant later in life. Cucumber juice supports healthy appearance from several directions at once. The silica content helps provide building blocks involved in collagen formation. Its naturally high water content supports skin hydration from within. Antioxidant compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress, one of the major contributors to visible aging. And the hydration and cleansing benefits we discussed earlier may also contribute to a fresher, healthier looking complexion. I often remind people that true skincare begins long before any cream, serum, or cosmetic product touches the skin.